bored with traditional guacamole, this Mediterranean twist changes everything. Instead of adding everything straight into the avocado, I'm making one Mediterranean flavor mix first. I start with the lemon juice and olive oil first. That becomes the flavor base for everything else. I have the list of all the ingredients down below the description. Then we're going to add mint, parsley, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red peppers, feta cheese, chopped garlic, and our seasonings. This is not guacamole with random toppings thrown in. The flavor is brighter, fresher, richer, and completely different. And we're gonna mix them well. And the real secret here, sun-dried tomatoes. They bring huge flavor without making the avocado guacamole watery. And this also builds a balanced Mediterranean mix before it even touches the avocado. Mash avocados in separate bowl. Big mistakes everyone make with guacamole: over mashing it. Leave some texture. Chunky always tastes fresher. Okay, now I'm gonna stop right there, and then I'm going to pour the Mediterranean mixture into the avocado slowly. Now this is where the payoff happens. The lemon, feta, herbs, smoky peppers, and sun-dried tomatoes completely transform the avocado without overpowering it. It smells delicious. And somehow this doesn't taste like random fusion food. It just tastes like guacamole upgraded. And pita chips and toasted pita bread works way better than any tortilla chips. I especially enjoyed sliced fresh cucumbers. The flavor actually matches the dip instead of fighting it. You still get that creamy avocado bite, but now every scoop tastes tangy, bright, rich, fresh, all at once. And you know, the best part, simple ingredients, fast recipe, almost no work. So if guacamole has been feeling repetitive lately, this version is absolutely worth trying. Chunky or smooth? Which one are you? Chunky is the best. And if you like bold Mediterranean twists that are actually easy to make, please hit like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.